Yeah, make your wheat and buds. Turn to biafra, come to stay. Long time we are suffering a silent pain. Blood of the soil fall like heavy rain. Then tie we and them, blind we eye, but truth no they die. Truth no feel like from the east wind blow. Yeah, the ancient drum, voice of the Father said the time done come. Mumuchuku okike, children of the Most High, born to be free, never born to cry. Them really know how great Biafra will be. That's why them fear, that's why them no one see. Freedom a call from the land and the sea. Inshallah Biafra have come to stay. Them really know how great Biafra will be. That's why them fight destiny, but Jah light shine and the blind go see. Inshallah Biafra have come to stay. Inshallah Biafra have come to stay. Inshallah, from Umuaya down to the riverside, ancestors walk with us, them they guide. Umuchuku okike, sacred identity, spirit and truth be our authority. No connection run stop the mind. Once a people wake them hard to bind. History talk the ground, remember. Fire of freedom burn like ember. They really know how great Biafra will be. That's why them fear, that's why them no one see. Freedom a call from the land and the sea. Inshallah Biafra have come to stay. Them really know how great Biafra will be. That's why them fight prophecy, but Jah time different from human delay. Inshallah Biafra have come to stay. Who we be? Umuchuku okike. What we want? Freedom. When we want time. Now time. No hatred, no revenge, only liberation. Truth and justice for every nation. Hey. Tell them say freedom no be crime. Self-determination, your Jah design. We no beg, we no bow in shame. We rise with love, not with flame. From the dust we rise like lion heart. Unity strong, we play our part. Africa watch,